and welcome back to another episode. Today we are going to be getting some slabs in and hopefully finish this patio off. We're just going to get straight to it. We've got a lot to do. Right, we've got the weed block down, we've got some muck knocked up. We've also got Gary Neville and his little brother Phil ready to get some work done. So now what we've got to do is knock up a little bit of cheap slurry to paint the back of these slabs with, and then we can get laying. So that was the first slab I've laid in probably about a year really, and yeah, not bad. I put a little bit too much muck under there and it took a bit of a whacking more than normal, so there's that. On that level I like to have it just touching the line, which it is, and on this level I'll just follow on from what was there before, and it is, well, it's a little bit off, but no, that's fine. As long as it's rolling that way, good enough. And for those of you who are interested, I am using a Sharp Sand Building Sand Mix 50/50. About time we get the rest of this patio done, eh? Right, so we got this side done, and then, well, it decided to piss down for like 4 days, which is why there was no video last Sunday, because, well, it was just dumping it down. So we got that side all done now. It ain't grouted yet. Oh, do you know what? It's gonna rain. Don't rain. Well, this side is all done, so we're just gonna move over here and get this side done now. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it doesn't actually rain.
I've got my feet in the mud and you don't realize
So some of you might be wondering why I'm painting this blue stuff on the back of all the slabs. Well, those of you who aren't in the know, these are porcelain slabs. Now porcelain is not porous whatsoever. So that basically means that when you use like natural stone or concrete slabs or something like that, they're porous. So when you stick it on the muck, it kind of sucks it in and it holds it there. Whereas porcelain doesn't do that. If I was to lay these slabs without this stuff that I'm painting on now, when it all goes off, you could just lift the slabs up because they won't stick. So what this is a mix between SBR, which is basically glue, and neat cement. Hence why it's gone this bluey colour, because the SBR is white. And when this dries, it sticks to the porcelain and also sticks to the cement, the muck that we put under it. So that's why I'm painting them blue. And yeah, for those of you who were interested. I've got to lay it now. Right, another little tip, if anyone is out there laying slabs, any sort of slab, doesn't matter what sort of slab it is, when you put it down in the right spot, which this isn't in at the moment, bear with me 1 second, let's move it into the right spot. Right, so once it's in the right spot, and obviously it's too high, you want to knock it down, don't you? Now, the way I've always done it, let me get my pencil out. Imagine there is a smaller square in the middle of whatever it is you're laying. When you whack it down, try and use just that small square in the middle. Now the reason why is it helps knock everything down. Like if I'm tapping over here, that side's going to come up. If I tap over here, this side's going to come up. Whereas if you do it on the inside, it barely comes up and it ends up putting that side down, if that makes sense. So use that smaller square inside, sort of, I don't know, kind of that kind of size, very slab to slab, but that way it just makes it a little bit less like a fucking seesaw. Yeah, and you just tap them down and put the old, what are they called, spacers in there. And your gravy, baby. Now I'm tapping that there up. I just went against what I said to do. Get the old Gary Neville. Which one's the bigger brother, Gary or Phil? I can never bloody remember. Yeah, everyone keeps telling me in the comments, but I can never remember. I keep saying, and I say the same thing again, I'm not a big fan of football, so I don't know. All I know is Neville's their old man. Actually, where is Neville? I've got a 6 foot level somewhere. Yeah, get a bit of waffle. Right. I think we're looking pretty good on that now. Level that way, level that way, and well, a nice little roll that way. Perfect. So yeah, next time you're laying slabs, try that little square out and see how you get on. Alright, perfect. Next one. Oh, that doesn't fucking fit. How did I fuck that up? Well, that ain't the worst, at least it doesn't fit in the right way, if that makes any fucking sense. But where's my fucking pencil gone? Right. 20 mil? 20 mil, alright. I did measure twice, and I did cut once. Evidently, I measured wrong twice. Correct cut, let's hope, and it's fucking raining now. Oh, there we go, perfect. Perfect first time, eh? That counts, doesn't it? Oh, fuck me. Fucking piss Pissy rain. Go away, I'm trying to bloody lay a patio. Fucking wonderful British weather. Been raining like this for well, not like this. Last week it was raining fucking something crazy. Someone was doing a rain dance somewhere, but it weren't me. That's a little bit. Hopefully, is that all right? Perfect. A little high that end, which is nice when it's right against the wall like that. Just a little. Oh, stop raining. There we go. I'll take that. Yes, lovely. Lovely jubbly. Okay, and there we go, we have the other side of the patio done. There is going to be more going on that way, but that is a discussion for another day, and yeah, we'll get to that. Next episode, we are going to be getting these steps done, so yeah, subscribe for that, and I'll see you then. Not including the ones from... No. Cool, I've got a frog in my throat. I was about to make a French joke, but I shouldn't do that. Funny thing about it is I wasn't actually going to make a French joke because I couldn't think of one, but I was really trying to think of one. Fuck. Couldn't think of a French joke. Anyway. Oh, fuck me, that almost lost that, didn't we? Jesus Christ. Fucking sun's out now, bloody jacket on and off. Make your mind up, are you hot today or are you cold today?